Good morning, Bernard, and happy weekend. Happy Friday.
Thank you, Dr. Priscilla. I wish the same for you.
Okay, thank you. You have big plans for the weekend?
Yes, this weekend we'll drive back our grandchildren to to his father, to his father, which is in holidays in the mountains.
Okay, so you'll be taking your grandchildren back to their father.
Yes.
Because they were on vacation. Okay, awesome. Well, I hope that you enjoyed them when you had them.
Okay.
Now, today we're going to participate in this scenario. After the scenario, we'll read the article if we have time. So I will read as A, and you can read as B. After we go through it the first time, we'll go back and answer any questions that you have about the dialogue. All right.
Okay.
Did you read the article about the migration challenge?
Migration challenge? No, I didn't. What this migration challenge about?
What is this migration challenge about? Okay.
What is this migration challenge about?
The article was quite long, but there seems to be a debate about people migrating from their home country to places overseas.
Really? Tell me more about this. I want the nitty-gritty.
Nitty-gritty? What's that?
Oh, nitty-gritty simply means I want all the details.
I see. Well, in the article I was reading, it seems that there is some concern about people leaving their homes, even though the country may have received aid to help the people that are suffering the most.
Is this an unemployment issue?
Not really. The problem is more about how much aid should be given to an impoverished country.
I think I read something about this actually. There was some research that suggested that aid to a country might encourage migration.
That's right. It seems that people would still want to migrate once they have received some economic support.
Well, I don't know. I don't think I will be to go to remain in a place that could not take advantage of training I might have received from economic support. I think I would like to travel out and be able to use what I've learned and earned a nice income to boot.
Okay, so, well, I don't know. I don't think I would be too gung-ho to remain in a place that would not take advantage of my training. I might have take advantage take advantage of training I might have received from economic support. I think I would like to travel out and be able to use what I have learned and earn a nice income to boot. Yes, you do have a point there.
It's not like this economic support is coming in spades for all the people at once.
The article went on to say that the youth were interested in learning. However, once the learning is over, they seem to have lost their marbles.
Lost their marbles? Can you explain?
In a nutshell, the loss of marbles suggests that the thinking is all wrong or going crazy with unexpected results. You see, when the youth are learning, they have very little experience about the world and are unable to venture out on their own very quickly. But after a few years of demonstrated accomplishment from the training, they are ready to leave their home and travel abroad.
Okay. And while abroad, they can use their skills and experience for better career opportunities. Is that right?
Yep, that's right.
Do you know where I could read this article?
All right, so sure, I have it right here. Take a look. Now, we'll look at the article. Do you have any questions?
Some I didn't exactly understand everything.
Okay, let's take a look at insert table. I don't know. I want to insert lines actually, but I don't see where to insert the lines. All right, so we'll just have to make sure. Which one? I want to add, oh, there we go. Insert columns to the left. Okay, good. So now you can tell me which line did you have a question?
Nitty-gritty, not that's right.
No, I'm gonna have to make these a little bit smaller. Well, I'll have to do this.
It does things. Okay, 12, for example.
Okay, 12. Well, I don't know. I think I would be gung-ho to remain in a place that could not take advantage of training I might have received from economic support. I think I would like to travel out and be able to use what I've learned and earn a nice income to boot. When we say gung-ho, that means excited. Yay, gung-ho, let's do it. And the word to boot means in addition to. Okay, do you understand?
To boot in addition.
Yeah, the word to boot means to.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I don't think I will be too excited to remain in a place that couldn't give me advantage of training. I might have received.
Okay, now you've got this take advantage. Take advantage, not just you didn't say the word take.
Okay.
Again.
Well, I don't know. I don't think I would be to gung-ho to remain in a place that could not take advantage of training. I might have received from that I may have received for economic support. I think I would like to travel out and be able to use what I've learned and earned a nice income to boot. Yes, but the meaning.
Okay. Without what I have learned and nice income also.
Also, okay. Okay.
So earlier we talked about a car that you have, and you could say, not only do I not buy very expensive cars, but they don't have cameras to boot, which means in addition to.
Okay.
It's a little slang. All right. Any others?
And it's not like the economic support marbles.
Okay.
In spades. 14 in spades.
Okay. When you play a game of cards and you have all spades, that means that everything is to your advantage. Okay. So in this case, it's not like the economic support is coming to everybody all at once. It's not advantageous to all the people at once. What happens is that when economic aid comes to a country, sometimes only a few people benefit. And when only a few people benefit for something, it probably isn't enough benefit for people to say, in this case, I don't want to travel abroad. So the phrase in spades means that there's a benefit. People are benefiting.
Okay. Okay. Standard economy is coming. Well, okay. Lost their marbles. In a nutshell, 17 in a nutshell. What is a nutshell?
Okay, very quickly, I'm going to give you the details. I'm going to give you the details very quickly. I won't tell you a lot. For example, I could say, could you summarize this article in a nutshell? Very quickly, summarize the article. Don't tell me everything, just tell me a little enough to make me understand.
Okay. The article is about a discussion between two men about an article they read. In this article, it seems that economic support in poor country is not as efficient as it could do, because some of the people who are training in poor country don't stay in their own country and try to flee in other rich country to have advantage of the training they receive and earn a lot of money.
Well, the last part may be a little bit different. After they have received training in their poor countries, there's no way that they're going to earn money because the country doesn't have money to pay them.
Okay.
People can't pay them. Now that they have the training, they want to leave. For example, in the US, there are many people that have migrated from places because of a better career opportunity. Okay?
Okay, I understand.
All right. So let's read it again, and I'll let you read as well.
Okay.
Let's not read it again because it will make it too long. We can read it again. I'm going to stop the recording. You sure you have all of the understanding? Did you get nitty gritty? Number 4?
Yes, I understood nitty gritty.
Okay, and let's see. All right, that's all. All right, I'm going to stop the recording. This paper calls for a complete rethink of strategies. This means that we're going to consider.
Yes, I understand. No problem for this, the beginning.
Okay, so based on deterring, so we're looking for a way to stop. Deter means to stop.
Okay, I understand. Okay.
All right, you have it now? So that's what they're talking about. All right, I'll go back and pause again. So in this last section, shapes how migration takes place. Right now, migration takes place with people risking their lives by getting on boats and going out to sea. And sometimes the boats may capsize and everyone on the boat will die. So
what does it mean, that shape?
Well, the word shape means how is it done? How are people leaving one country to another?
The means by boat, by plane, by work?
By permission, or just escaping, or kidnapping. How are they, what does it look like? What does this migration look like?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, so yeah, I understood.